Hello guys, it's Tech to the Hand here, back with another video. Samsung's Galaxy S21 impressed us with solid all-around performance and it was released last year, but how will it compare to the Galaxy S22? We've seen the Galaxy S21 FE, but haven't heard any official word about the new Samsung phone yet. In the meantime, however, rumors say the Galaxy S22 lineup will offer camera, processor, and battery upgrades, all for a similar price as the Galaxy S21. The exact launch date for the Galaxy S22 is still unclear, but leaker Jon Prosser speculates Samsung's new smartphone will be revealed at an Unpacked event in February. The Galaxy S22 series is rumored to mirror the three-phone lineup with a standard, Plus and Ultra model, if leaks around the phone's screen sizes are to be believed. If you're curious about the earlier Galaxy S series smartphones, here's how the Galaxy S21 compares to Galaxy S20 and the best Android phones you can buy in 2022. The Galaxy S22 could be getting a speed boost. Leaker Ice Universe speculates the new flagship phone could be equipped with an improved Qualcomm chip, the Snapdragon 895. In comparison, the Galaxy S21 comes equipped with the Snapdragon 888. The rumor comes after Qualcomm unveiled its Snapdragon 888 Plus last year. Ice Universe also speculates Samsung could be the company to manufacture the new smartphone processor. The bump in processing power is rumored to be paired with a boost in graphics. The Galaxy S22 could come with an AMD GPU as a result of a partnership between Samsung and the chip giant. The Galaxy S22 may also come with an active fan mode to cool down the phone during gaming or other times of intensive usage, according to Let's Go Digital. That's all for now guys, please leave a like or a comment and subscribe for more content like this.